Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna do something fun today. My boyfriend is a huge Kansas City Chiefs fan because we are from Kansas City, and we are going to watch the games today, Chiefs versus Bears. So I figured let's have a little bit of fun and let's do a Chiefs themed eye look. So we are going to be using some Jeffree Star blood sugar, thirsty, and the Jawbreaker palette. So let's just have a little bit of fun and do something a little bit wild. And yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, let's do it. And I'm probably gonna I don't know. I just woke up from a nap, y'all, and I had this genius idea. So that's what that's where we are. It's okay. So yeah, let's just get into this and see where it takes us. I have no plan, no rhyme, no reason. But let's just run with it anyway. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I was going to use something to cancel out my eyelids so that the colors would pop a little bit more. Let's all right, y'all. That was an adventure. I lost my tweezers for my eyelashes, so yeah. It was an adventure. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this bottom lash line done. Let's see. I think we're gonna kind of stick with the same color scheme. I'm just gonna do all mattes on the bottom. Ka-cha, ka-cha, ka-cha. What are we gonna do? I don't even know. No, I lost my enthusiasm. The lashes took it out of me. Okay. I'm gonna get some of these brushes out my way because I can't do anything right now. Alright, so we are going to first. I don't even know. Oh no! Okay. I think first we're gonna do the yellow. So I'm gonna start yellow and then I'm gonna do some orange and then the red out here. So I'm gonna take the color Wow from the Jawbreaker palette. And I know I'm gonna lose a lot of this color putting it here. But so I'm gonna like pack it on pretty heavy. And I'm gonna bring it about halfway. That looks not so great under the eye, but whatever. And then I'm going to clean my brush and I'm going to go into Cherry Soda from the Blood Sugar palette because it's like the truest red that we have. And I'm going to start at the outer corner and bring that to meet it in the middle. I'm going to do that on both sides. Then I'm going to clean this brush and take the color Suck. It's like the orangiest orange I have, I think. I was looking thirsty for a minute. Nope. Suck it is. Let's hope you don't suck. I'm just going to take that and I'm going to do it right on the middle and blend those two together. So once that's done, I'm going to take this kind of fluffier brush and I'm going to take the color Good Morning. It's just kind of like a pale pink, and I'm just going to use that to kind of blend everything together. I feel like I drug it down decently far, but I did end up losing some of the yellow over here, so I need to get some more yellow on there. No yellow on this eye, I feel like. There we go. There we go. Alright, so now we need an inner corner highlight. I'm going to use the shade Jawbreaker and just pop it right in here. Because it's kind of goldy. It's got a little goldy undertone to it. So I don't want it to be too white. I'm also going to use that right up here. I also kind of blend that with my finger just because I don't want it to be too harsh. Like, there we go. And there she is. Go Chiefs. So, should be a fun look for tonight. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you ever go watch football with your boyfriends or if you watch it just for you. Let me know if I should recreate any other like team themes for eyeshadow. Let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.